So how to import a 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦 wallet? Alright, why would you want to import a 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦 wallet? Most times we store our recovery phrase and maybe we visit a lot of phishing links and our phone can be easily infiltrated. So we want to keep our wallet kind of offline, and then we still want to be seeing what is in our wallet without having any problem, alright, or any fear. So that brings about the need for a 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦 wallet, where you can still see your wallet but nobody can infiltrate it because your recovery phrase is not in your wallet. So this is how to actually import a 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦 wallet from your main wallet and then have everything fully set up. All right, let's just go through it right now. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do right here to import a 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦 wallet is to go to your Trust wallet and log in. So I'm going to use this wallet as an instance. Looking at this wallet, this is a wallet with recovery phrase. How you know that this wallet has a recovery phrase is when you attempt sending a token and then you paste an address. It doesn't display any message like 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦 wallet, unlike this particular one. Let me show you this one here. If we in this one, for instance, if I tap on this one and then I attempt sending, you see it will display this message 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦, which means no transaction can be done on this wallet. So I have to go back to that wallet right there. Okay, PD. So this is where we are. All right, so we're on this wallet right here. What I need to do is to copy the smart chain address. Go here, tap on the smart chain, click on receive, copy the smart chain. If it was an Ethereum network wallet, I'll copy the Ethereum address. All right, then the next thing I'll have to do is, so once that is done, I have to click on settings, and then you click on this icon right here, that's here. Okay, then click there, then click on the plus icon at the top right hand side, that's this section right here. Click there, then click on I already have a wallet, then click on smart chain. This time around you're not importing a 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦 wallet. So the section after this particular place you are seeing here, you're not going to see anything. You're going to see a dark screen because it's actually like a kind of seed phrase that I'm actually pasting. I click next, then click on address, paste it as an address. All right, then click on import. All right, this is how you have it. Boom. So most times after importing all the coins, most of the coins will display, not everything will display. All right, so how would you know you've imported a 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦 wallet? When you tap on send, click on any token, you will see 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦. Or when you tap on receive, you see it will display 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦. Okay, so what you can only do here is you can only send coins to this wallet and not receive coins. So to get the rest of your tokens, still with your recovery phrase, still with your address you copied, go to BScan, that's the explorer. BScan. Now while you are here, just paste in the address. When you've done that, every other token on this address will be displayed here. So every other token on this coin will be displayed here. All right, and then here you can copy them and add them up individually. Like for in this instance, this particular one that you're seeing, if coin, tap on it, then copy the contract ID, then go to the 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦 wallet you just imported and then paste it. And that's how you add every other token on this wallet address. So that one was I think was displaying as a fake coin right there. So that's how we're going to add every single coin on this wallet. So